Wow, a Volvo.
Yeah, got one when I was 16 and been stuck on them ever since. First car. Me and my friend with the G8, we drove all the way out here. No trailer.
How mmany miles is that?
It was about 650, I believe. I'm Brian Avinga. I'm from Appleton, Wisconsin. Green Bay, Wisconsin now, actually.
Wow, Wisconsin, all the way out here for Ellis.
Yep. It's got 4L80. I made the transmission mount. It just fit right in there. I just made some motor mounts, and it's reliable, obviously. Drove it all the way here. It's the Holley Sniper race intake. Very pleased with it. From the stock intake I had, I noticed a pretty good gain in top end power, where before it was kind of getting choked off. Well worth investment.
Awesome.
And it looks awesome. It's an awesome intake. Very pleased with that.
I see you got an MSD two-step on it.
I do, yep. Makes a huge difference. It cuts a lot better 60 foot with that. And it's just a Volvo, but it does 1.5s pretty regularly back home. For what it is, I'm very pleased with that. Street car life. Today I'm running 14 because I gotta be able to drive it home. I ran 10.2, 14 pounds. Back home I trap 143 usually. Here I trapped 135, I think. It's a 5.3 L33 aluminum truck motor. So for a little baby stock motor, I'm pretty happy with it. It's a cam only engine. Yeah, Volvos have been my first car.
So
240s.
Safety built into it.
That's why my dad made sure I got one. He knew I was a hoonigan, so I want to make sure I had a tank.
Right
Literally
on.
know I'd make it fast. So it's got a Ford 8.8 in it that I narrowed myself with 9-inch ends on it. Stock 4L80 with an HT2 kit. Homemade turbo kit, homemade engine mounts, homemade coilovers, homemade rear suspension.
All done by you.
Yeah, you can't buy parts for them for a drag setup anyway, so it takes a lot of time, but it's rewarding.
That's what I like, that sleeper. I mean, it's all completely sleeper, man.
Yeah, that was part of the reason why I went with the Holley Sniper, actually, the race intake. It just, the measurements online, it just barely clears in the front there with this hood. I wanted to keep the sleek look, but I knew I couldn't fit the high ram, and I know this performs pretty similar. Yeah, it's a great compromise. It's an awesome intake, very pleased with that.
And what class are you running?
The Grudge and Test and Tune. Trying to be casual, have a little bit of fun, hopefully still make it home.